Moving on, now Elon Musk has lost Twitter's lawsuit against him. Twitter and Elon Musk are scheduled to face off in a 5-day trial in October over the billionaire's change of heart about buying the social media company. This comes as a blow to Musk, whose lawyers sought a trial early next year. Our next report brings you the complete story.
Elon Musk's effort to delay Twitter's trial against him flopped in court on Tuesday. A Delaware judge ruled Twitter's lawsuit seeking to hold Musk to his $44 billion takeover will go to trial in October. Mitchell Epner is a litigator specializing in white-collar crime.
This is a major victory for Twitter and a major defeat for Elon Musk, who was seeking to have the trial delayed until next year in February. Twitter is trying to get the contract that Elon Musk signed enforced and require him to buy the entire company for $44 billion. And today's ruling is in line with Twitter's aims and directly contrary to Musk's.
Musk was pushing for a delay to allow for an extensive investigation into his claims that Twitter has misrepresented the number of fake or spam accounts. The company says the issue is a distraction and an excuse to walk away from the deal. On this issue, Epner says Musk shot himself in the foot when he waived any due diligence in his bid for the social media giant.
He has left himself with virtually no defenses here. He is the dog who caught the car he was chasing.
The judge said on Tuesday that the company deserved a swift decision on its claims, saying, quote, "The reality is delay threatens irreparable harm to the sellers, aka Twitter." She asked the parties to work out the schedule for the trial, which she set at 5 days.
There's a strong likelihood that Elon Musk will be required to come up with $44 billion to buy Twitter. If he decides that he really wants not to buy Twitter, he's going to have to come up with some amount of money, likely far in excess of $1 billion, in order to get Twitter to release him from that obligation.
An attorney for Musk did not respond to a request for comment.
And for more on the Twitter Musk saga, Susan Tehrani has sent us this report from New York. Listen in.
In an early victory for Twitter, a judge ruled on Tuesday that the company's lawsuit against Elon Musk over the $44 billion acquisition agreement should go to trial in October. The decision came at the end of the first hearing in the case on whether or not to prolong the proceedings. While this was a snag for Twitter regarding scheduling, the stakes are high for Twitter. The company was already struggling to attract users and advertisers alike even before it got involved with Elon Musk. And it and other tech companies are now cutting back on costs with rampant inflation and talks of a possible recession. Twitter has asked the courts to compel Elon Musk to go ahead with the deal and buy the company. And while many legal experts say that Twitter does have the upper hand, it may ultimately reach some kind of settlement or agreement with Elon Musk in a bid not to prolong the trial and also reduce the disruption to its business. Susan Tehrani reporting from New York for WION World is One.